Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what happens if you claimed um an item in your mail because of full storage and for instance it didn't go in your inventory, like your bag. So press claim, and for instance your bag is full, it's going to go to your warehouse instead. So if you accidentally press claim, don't worry, it's going to be in your warehouse. I think I had space now in my backpack, so I can't really show you guys, but it will go in your warehouse instead. As you can see, I have some of my ingredients here as well because I claimed it accidentally outside and I haven't emptied my backpack yet. But I think I'm going to buy more storage, honestly, for my backpack because I do need it. But anyways, that's what happens. So don't freak out if you accidentally claimed it and you haven't emptied your backpack yet. It's going to just go to your warehouse in your house. So make sure you go back to your house to open it because it's going to only show when you're in your house, I guess. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.